guys! Welcome to the pilot episode of the Lead TV.
In a society that evolves rapidly, we all seek to live in harmony. A harmony which gives us a comfortable way of living, a peaceful environment, and an impeccable surroundings. The Lead Realty company aims to provide their clients top priority by ensuring to meet every client's heartening satisfaction. Mission: we lead our clients and partners to be the best real estate deals of their choice. We are highly innovative and competitive that complements our clients and partners. We make our clients and partners happy by providing them extraordinary service and quality after sales, resulting to a sustainable, growing, and long-lasting relationship. Vision: we are a globally known top-notch brand and the #1 real estate service provider in the Philippines. Core values: passion, integrity, excellence.
The Lead TV is the latest platform of the Lead Realty. It reaches out to the viewers who can be potentially buyer, property owner, investor, renter, or any individual who's interested in real estate.
And as Mike mentioned, it's all about sharing tips about real estate, our experiences, and anything relevant. So it's our newest platform to reach a wider range of market. In the Lead Realty, we think and plan ahead. We make sure that we care for our employees and for our clients. We're not just doing it for ourselves. We have a purpose in setting this up. And also, being young and vibrant, and we grew up loving this industry. And we will make sure that we will be here in this industry until we can. We are up to date in whatever we do, so we try to be competitive as well. So what we do, how we do it, that's what makes us stand out in this industry.
We started our career as agent, and then we got promoted to become heads of our division. And then we were very blessed to be given a wonderful opportunity in our previous company, Megworld Corporation, to sell and lead both at the same time. Right?
Yeah, but you know what? It was a challenge at first, but we make sure that we thrive. There's nothing that you cannot do if you love what you're doing. So we gave birth to our baby, which is the Lead Realty company, and we can tap wider range of market through it. With the current Build program of the government and the continuous local and international demand, we can attest that the real estate growth here in the Philippines and the real estate demand here in the Philippines is still at its best and will be there for a very long period of time.
Of course, it's very important to hire professionals like us because clients save time, effort, and money. Correct?
Yeah, that's very true. Some of our clients think that if they don't hire professionals like us, they think that they save money, time, and effort. But the truth is, they're preparing themselves for a lot more expenses because they have to do everything by themselves. But if they hire like realtors, agents, and brokers, they can be assured of they'll be led with the right deal, with the best deal, and best properties of their choice. Like if they deal with us, with the Lead Realty company, of course, we will make sure that we will lead them to the best deals of their choice.
And here's our property feature for this episode.
Thank you guys for watching. Please follow our social media accounts. Bye!
Thank you!